DesignerLogic's comment module is a great way to log communication between your staff and your clients about specific items on a project. These are much easier to keep track of than email or text message chains. There's a few ways you can do this, but to see the comments on a project, simply select the Comments tab from the project dashboard. Here you can see all the comments going back and forth from staff and the client to each other. To add a new comment, just come up to Edit Add and select Comment. And here you can select the item that the comment is about. You can select the staff person the comment's directed to, or you can choose client to send it directly to the client portal, fill out the comment information, and you can email a notification at the time you create the comment. Now let's take a look at this in practice. We can do it right here, but it's easier to see how this works if we go to the client portal when it's related to the client portal. So here we have the client portal with all the items on it, and if we go up and click on comments, just like for the project dashboard, we can see all the comments going back and forth, but in this case, since we're on the client portal, these are just to the client and from the client. Now to add a new comment to the client, we come up to Edit Add and click Comment. And this opens up the comment form, but this is automatically going to send it to the client portal because we are in the client portal. So we want to select the project that it's about and the item on that project that it's about. In the About section, we can put a little note and then fill out the comment information. Once you have your comment ready, you can select to send that as an email notification and hit Save and Close. And what that does is creates a comment and attaches it to that specific item. And if we open up that item's page, we can see what the comments are about the item when we select the Comments tab. Now if we go back to the client portal, we want to see what does this look like for the client. So if we open up the client portals page, this is the client right here, this is their view, and that's about this specific rug right here. So if we go to the item page for that rug, here you'll see the comment, or the client will see the comment that we made to them about the rug, and they can respond to that very easily and quickly. Just write a quick response, and then they hit Submit. And what that does is send you an email notification that you have a new comment by the client. It logs it in and attaches it to that rug in this case, so it's never lost. And back on your view of the client portal and your page here, if we update the comment section, we can see that the client responded to that comment about that specific item. And if we go back to the actual project dashboard and we click on the Comments tab, we can see that comment is at the top of the list, and so we can see the comment chain is always going to be sequential based on the timestamp. So it's always easy to find the latest comments that are made, and you can always respond to comments very easily by clicking the Respond button.